What up, people? It's your boy. Um, just want to give a quick introduction to the video today. Basically, if you saw my last video, you'll see that I've removed the oil pan out of Vanwilder there. I was looking around to get prices onto fixing. Oops, sorry about that. I was looking around to get pricing to fix the oil pan that was on Vanwilder, but being charged between 75 and 150 bucks, I was just like, nah, I'm gonna have to think about it. And then I happened to go to carpart.com and found an oil pan for 35 bucks in Durham, which is about an hour away. So I went over there, picked it up. They gave me the pickup tube as well, because the one on the van is severely modified, just like the oil pan was. So picked those two things up, and I pretty much installed it on the van, and that's about it. I did run into a cooling issue with the van. The fans weren't coming on, so I had to figure that out, but luckily I figured it out. I pulled the wiring harness back out, and a lot of the wiring was corroded and frayed really bad, and it was falling apart in my hand. So just put a quick connection on it real quick to see if the fan will work, and it does, which is a good thing. So hopefully I should have this van running by the end of this weekend. That way I can start driving it and really put it to the test. But for now, enough talking. I'm talking too much shit. Enjoy the video. And I actually put a little bit effort into editing it, and I'm still learning, so this is all new to me, and it's just, and one real quick thing, my goal this year is to at least upload once a week. That's my goal, regardless if it's working on the van or just talking about myself with my personal issues. So let me know what you think. Again, just enjoy this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Yeah. What up, party people? So I'm over here under Vanwilder, getting ready to install the new oil pan. I already installed the new pickup. I'm gonna install the pan. Obviously the oil is drained already, but install the new pan. Change out the oil filter, let it dry for a bit, and then I'm gonna put oil in it and start it up. Yeah, be right back. Oops. Ah, fuck. Alright. Alright. Back again. So, I got the oil pan installed. Got everything tightened up. And I don't know if you can see the red. It's the fucking heat shield for the exhaust manifold. So, everybody's been asking me about the exhaust for some weird reason. Well, there's a stock exhaust manifold. You can see the downpipe there. And then the pipe goes actually across into some sort of aftermarket muffler. It might be a Mopar muffler because it has a Mopar symbol on it. So, sounds fucking good. So, I just lifted up the engine a little bit. You can see the little bit of space between the motor mounts. So it'll be easier to tighten everything back up. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Yeah. Alright, so I got everything buttoned up. The motor mounts are tightened up, both sides. Now, here's the test. Let me go. Actually, I do need it again. Yeah. This has a custom filler neck, because the filler usually comes around here and it's tilted to an angle. This is off a motorcycle, which is pretty cool. Alright. Alright. Ooh. And also, I'm thinking about taking this apart now to clean it up before I even attempt to put coolant in it. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Let me go. Make sure it's in neutral. Please, Lord, start.
and running, huh?
Yeah, just finally replaced the old pan. Found one for 35 bucks. I couldn't beat that.
Yesterday, I seen one of these in Fayetteville driving down the road, and I thought of you. And I'm like, that's that little damn van.
Yeah.
I remember these though.
What up, party people? So, as you can see, I was running the van, and my neighbor came over. My neighbor Terry, cool dude from across the street. So we got to talking, and then the van finally got up to operating temperature, but it passed operating temperature. So we noticed that the fan wasn't coming on at all. So now I gotta address that. But the plus side, I got the oil pan installed with a new pickup, no oil leaks, and then I got coolant in it. It's sort of fresh coolant. That cooling system's just very dirty, so I'm gonna have to flush it out again. I'm gonna have to clean that cooling system, so I'm gonna do an old school way of cleaning it, and I'll make a video of that as well. But for now, it's got coolant in it, so there's no more water in the system. Thank God, because I'm in North Carolina. It gets cold. It's starting to get cold already. So, but yeah, I got the van done, and now I just got to figure out why the fans aren't coming on. Thankfully, I still have the Eclipse parts car here, and the fans are removed on that, so I'm going to test those to see if those work, or if I could get them to fit. And if they fit, cool. If not, then I got to figure something else, but at least they're there. And I think they will fit. And plus, it's two fans versus one big fan on the van, which is, I don't know, it should work. So, but like I said, the plus side, it runs. I can at least move it around the yard, do a burnout in my driveway if I want to. But at least it's not leaking anymore, and you know, and I can actually drive it. But I got to figure out the cooling fan issue first. So like I said, sorry about the video cutting off, but I got it, you know, got everything done on it that I needed to get done on it today. It's dark as fuck outside right now, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to work on it tomorrow. I got to run a few errands in Raleigh in the morning and afternoon. So depending on when I get back home tomorrow from Raleigh, if there's daytime, I might work on it. If not, I'll just wait till Tuesday. My goal is to get the van up and running by the end of the week, and that way I can start driving it. So yeah, that's about it. So without further ado, I'm going to end it right here. Say peace out. And I think Hemi wants to say peace out too. Say what's up, Devil. Say catch you later. Say catch you later. Say catch you later. Say you catch him later. Oh, now you want to be all shy? Come on, bruh. Who's that? That's my boy. But yeah, keep it cool, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. I think my one New Year's resolution is to at least post something up once a week here. That's my goal. I would love to do more, but you know, I haven't worked in over a month now, so content is very small. But once I start working and get enough flow of income again, everything will be better. Yeah. Love y'all. Appreciate the messages that y'all send me on Instagram or Facebook. A lot of y'all know what I'm going through, so I'll leave it at that. Later, motherfuckers!